Dexter's truck. We just finished up doing some lighting, new stereo.
All right, let's check it out. Let me in
Dexter,
there.
our social media advisor.
Oh, Dexter, you're the social media guy.
Yes, sir. How you doing today, young
Oh,
man?
good to hear, good to hear.
Larry, you are. First of all, I want you to know that this dude right here is the bomb. Not only did he hook up my lights, he hooked up me a new stereo system, and it was so nice. There's only one thing he forgot.
What's that?
To put in my subwoofer.
Oh my God.
Right, a man has to have a subwoofer.
What are you getting?
I'm getting the baddest thing he can put in here.
What do you think?
I don't care how much it costs.
Oh yeah, so what are you getting, a 10, 12?
I'm gonna get a 12.
You're gonna get a 12?
I'm gonna get a 12. He put my lights on in the back. He put my lights on. Oh, wait a minute. Let me show you the lights in the
Okay,
trunk.
let's
Hold
do
on.
that.
Come on around here. Probably can't see it. Backup camera on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he put a backup camera on for
Right
me.
in
Because you know I'm
there.
old, I can't see things. I be bumping into things, right?
You look old,
Oh
Dex.
yeah, and see, I play keyboards.
Young man, young man.
I play keyboards, so now
Oh,
if you look
wow.
down, look what he did in there.
Check that out.
Right.
I seen you had LEDs underneath here too.
Yeah, I got LEDs underneath. I got LEDs in here. There's no reason for anybody to bump into me.
Okay.
I love this man.
All
Of course,
right.
I'm going to present some stress for him because he didn't put me in a subwoofer.
What kind of amp you running?
I'm going to run anything he wants to put in there.
Okay.
All
That
right?
sounds good.
Okay, buddy.
All right, so you've been happy with our service?
I'm so happy with
Hey,
your
nice to
service.
meet you, Dex.
I'm so happy with
What
your
a nice
service.
guy. What a nice
Oh,
guy.
man, I love this guy. I'm trying to get him not to leave and go with me, but he won't. He won't go.
He ain't gonna go, huh?
I don't know. Take care of yourself,
We need
buddy.
a Rob. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thanks for the interview.
No problem.
We're gonna check out everything Dex got done so far. Come around here.
You see the lights? Come on this side.
Okay. I ain't gonna
Look, I'm gonna get out your way.
crush your leg.
Right. Look, I'm gonna get out your way.
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
I forgot. And he made sure my iPhone worked.
Okay.
He put a plug in there for me. He put the radio in there for me.
JVC. Brian, tell me about the options.
Oh, we got Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, double USB. It's also just, a nice equalizer and everything else built into this bad boy.
Okay. You know, you just got a comment on your YouTube channel. It was by some chick. She goes, he's a good looking man.
There you go.
Keep smiling. All right. Check it out. Dex, thank you so much.
No problem.
We always appreciate the
All right.
business.
Hey, that's a good man right there, man. Don't let him go.
So last words, Dex. Hey,
I'll tell you my last words. Here's my last words. If you want your stereo right, if you want your lights right, if you want your vehicle right, come see Brian. He's the man. And most important,
Stereo installs,
bring
baby.
your butt up to stereo install. That's what we do, baby. Okay, baby.
Subscribe here now. Click here to watch our channel playlist. Click here for a video chosen for you by YouTube. Subscribe here now. Click here to watch our channel playlist. Click here for a video chosen for you by YouTube.